Perfect.
Yo, what's good, fellas? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys tuning back in. This is Men's Grooming 101, episode 2. In today's video, you're gonna find out about the 5 basics of men's grooming. Number 1, showering. You gotta shower on a consistent basis. Wash your hair, wash your body, wash your face, do all 3. It is definitely mandatory, and be consistent with it. Number 2, brush your damn teeth. Not only brush your teeth, but make sure you're flossing as well as using a mouthwash. It goes a long way and it'll save you plenty of money if you're taking care of your teeth. Number 3, trim your nails. Be consistent cutting your nails. I'd recommend once a week trimming your nails. It does not take long, 2, 3, 5 minutes at the worst. Knock it out, get it over with. Number 4, shave. Don't get me wrong, fellas, I hate shaving. It's by far one of the worst aspects of men's grooming, in my opinion. That's part of the reason why I grew this beard out. It kind of cuts back on the amount of time I need to be shaving. But if you don't have a beard, you do need to be shaving probably every other day. Just be consistent with it. The longer you wait to shave, the harder it gets, the more time consuming it gets. You don't want to fall in that category. Number 5, get a haircut. This is definitely financially somewhat of a struggle because it can get costly depending on where you live, how much barbers charge, that whole deal. It's something also that it's always a struggle to find a really good barber at a decent price. So I definitely understand there are struggles there, but nonetheless, you need to be getting a haircut once to twice a month if you can. If you can't afford a barber, then it's up to you to kind of take things into your own hands and learn how to cut your own hair. Definitely a learning curve there, but nonetheless, if you can figure out how to cut your own hair, you're going to be saving yourself a ton of time and money, and that definitely will go a long way. And that is it, fellas. That is the 5 basics of men's grooming. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Please remember, if you look good and feel good, you do good. My name's Adrian. Until next time, I'm out.